So this question can be tricky, but you have to be careful. It says, what is the smallest number that can be divided exactly by 5 and 7? So let's start with the idea of a multiple of a number. If a number is a multiple of it, let's put it this way. If b, let's do it this way. If b over a is equal to some number, some whole number, so I'll call it w, or just say a whole number, it means that b is a multiple of a. So for example, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Because 24 divided by 2 is a whole number, there's no remainder, it means that 24 is a multiple of 2. Another way you can think about it is if you have any number, well, that's just a good way to stop. So that means 24 is a multiple of 2. So you're trying to say, I need to find a number that, so I'll call it x, that when I divide it by 5, I get a result and I don't have a remainder. And that same number, when I divide it by 7, I get a result and I don't have a remainder. So the first thing you've noticed is that you're looking for a multiple of 5 and you're looking for a multiple of 7. So that's the keyword here, multiple. The multiple has to be common to both 5 and 7. So the second keyword is common, because you're looking for a multiple of 5 and 7. Second keyword is common. And then they say, what's the smallest number? So they're saying what's the smallest multiple that's common to both of them. So smallest, same thing as least. So if you combine these three, you can see it's least common multiple. And you know that its least common multiple is the LCM. So all this question is asking for in disguise is for us to find the LCM of 5 and 7. What's the LCM of 5 and 7? Well, because 5 and 7 are prime numbers, the LCM of 5 and 7 is simply 5 times 7, which is 35. So the smallest number that can be divided by, so let me put it to you this way, and this is how you should handle questions like this. If you're asked to find the smallest number that can be divided exactly by a and b, all you need to do is find the LCM of a and b. So anytime you have a question like this, what is the smallest number that can be divided exactly? Exactly refers to the fact that when you do the division, there will be no remainder. So what's the smallest number that can be divided exactly by a and b? If you have a problem like this, all you need to do is find the LCM of a and b. In this case, we needed to find the LCM of 5 and 7. And because 5 and 7 are prime numbers, the LCM of 2 prime numbers or 3 prime of any number of prime numbers is just obtained by multiplying the prime numbers together. So 5 times 7 gives us 35 as our LCM, and that's the answer.